Welcome to this free training. Guys, if you are a moving company or a removal company, you are going to want to listen to this. I'm going to show you how to use Google and how to research the best keywords for your moving and removal business so you can get onto Google and generate inbound leads and clients and customers who are looking for a moving service or a moving company to help them. That is the power of Google. So let's dive in and let me show you how you can generate leads for your moving company. Let's dive in. So guys, if you're a removal or moving company, you need to be on Google, guys. And I'm going to show you some of the exact strategies that some of me and my clients use using Google, and this is what's going to help scale your moving business to get more leads, more clients, and more customers. Guys, you have to remember that so many people use Google to find a product or a service. People are going to Google to find a removal company, to find a company that can move their home stuff, their home equipment, maybe an office move, maybe large objects, whatever it is. People are looking for a removal company, guys. So here we are, right? I want to show you something now. For this experiment and for this example, most of you that own a moving and removal company will be local based. So in this example I'm going to show you, I'm going to pretend that I am a removal or a moving company based in New York, okay? And I cater for the New York area. So look at this, guys. In New York alone, there's 18,000 people that are looking for a moving company. Just imagine that, right, guys? Now, obviously, this is New York. You need to think about your location and where your removal and moving company is. But this doesn't change, guys. The number is going to change in terms of the number of people are searching for a removal or moving company. But people will still use Google to find you. Doesn't matter what location you are based in. Now, think about your location and think about this exact same strategy I'm going to show you that you can then use for your own location. But in this example, I'm going to pretend I'm in New York and I'm a moving and removal company. But look at this, guys. 18,000 people, right, are looking for a moving company. Okay. Another 8,000 people are looking for movers that are near them or near me. Okay, another nearly 4,000, and you are it doesn't matter, I don't care what location, guys, you are in, right? You will have a very, very, very similar, if not the exact same type of keywords for your location. And this is the power, guys, of Google, right? So I'm going to share a couple of tips, and then we're going to write an ad, and I'm going to show you some best practices on how to write this ad. But you need to be using the Google Keyword Planner to start looking at opportunities for your moving and removal company, guys. Now, another opportunity, by looking at this, that there are people that are looking for piano movers, okay? So now you can target people that are looking to have their piano moved or moved to another location. You can come along on Google and put your business in front of that exact same person, and you can say, do you want a piano mover? We do piano moving. We are a piano specialist removal company, okay? So hopefully you're getting this. The same with furniture, right? Furniture movers, 1,600. So this is the opportunity, guys, here. If you're a moving and removal company, you've got tons of opportunity to get in front of the right person at the right time that is using Google. And what will happen is your message will be in front of them, and then they will engage with you if you have this set up correctly. So let's take a look at Google right now. Another tip I want to share with you right now. Let's say somebody goes to Google and they start to type in removal companies. Now, if you go halfway down the page, the search results, you will see some golden opportunities, guys, that you can put your removal and moving business in front of. So, for example, look, people are looking for what is the average cost of removals? What day is the cheapest for removals? Brilliant. So what you can do is create a piece of content on Google and say, do you know what? Wednesdays are our cheapest day for removals because, you know, we are less busy and there's not much to actually move that day. So therefore we offer a cheaper rate, okay? But start to look at Google and how people are searching and finding and trying to look for removal companies and put yourself in their shoes. If you look at right to the bottom as well, you will also see different types of opportunities. So house removal companies, yeah? So best removal companies near me. So you can start creating ads that would be in front of that person. Guys, can you see how powerful this is, right? You have real people. Let's go back to this here. You have real people, right, on Google that are looking for a moving company. That's 18,000 potential customers, right, you could engage with. Now, here's the thing that people make a big mistake on when they launch on Google, or they try to promote their business on Google, and they do it wrong. They make the mistakes, the common mistakes I see, which I'm going to share with you, these mistakes and how to avoid them, is they blame Google, saying, oh, Google doesn't work and Google's a waste of money. But guys, it's not true. Absolutely not true. We've got clients and myself that have gone on to build 6 and 7 figure businesses using nothing but Google, because people are looking and searching using keywords, and that is so much more powerful than social media. And by the way, guys, just before I forget, you know, if this is something you want to learn more about, there's some free training in the description below. Go and check that training out, and I'll go into more detail on some really cool stuff. But okay, let's get back into the ads. So now I've wrote an ad here, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Now, what you need to do when you write this ad, and it's a common mistake people make, right, is they simply do not listen to the data that Google is already giving you. Now, look at this. We've got, as we identified, we've got like piano movers, right? 1,000 people. This is in New York, okay? But I guarantee pretty much there will be somebody searching in your location for a piano mover, okay? And there will be somebody in your location that is searching for a moving company, yeah? So what you need to do, guys, you need to take this keyword and you need to go and create your ad. Now, for the sake of this experiment and this example, I've created a made-up URL called movingcompany.com. Okay, so in here, I've actually gone ahead and I've put the #1 removal company. Now you can swap this out and you can go back to the keyword and you can insert the actual keyword that people are looking for so it resonates with them, okay? So you can start to play around with this and start putting your keywords in there. The #1 moving company. Now, another tip for you guys, right, that works really well on Google, right? And we've tested this. Now, we spent recently over $500,000, right, testing different things on Google and find out what's working, what's not working. So, top tip for you here, right, is you want to think about your customers' pain points. Why do they want a removal and moving company? That's what you need to ask yourself. Now, you guys will understand that more than I do. I'm pulling things out of thin hair here. If I'm a removal company, I'm thinking maybe time, convenience, right, would be two big things why people want a moving company. Maybe logistically they don't have the right vehicle for it. So what you need to do, you need to put those keywords and those pain points in your ad. And as you can see here, what I've done here, I've put save your time, save money. I've put moving companies near me, bearing in mind that people are actually searching for, look, movers near me. So I have gone ahead and I have created an ad and I've put that in the ad, okay? Maybe price is a thing as well. We are never beaten on price. Those type of terminologies work really well. Experience, right? People are probably thinking, right, I've got really private, sentimental objects that need moving, that's important to me. Do these people have experience? So put that in. Put percentages in. Percentages, by the way, guys, right? When it comes to this type of service, removal and moving, it works really, really well. When people see percentage value in an ad, they feel like they're getting value for money. Okay. Now, another big thing that maybe one of the pain points of a customer looking for a removal company is their objects are too big that they can't move it. So what do? You go ahead and you put no object too big to move. See what I'm doing there? I am addressing their pain point and reassuring them. And if you've got this ad set up right, guys, your ad is going to look something like this, okay? It's going to look, so you put your location in, and no object too big to move, free quote, 30% off this week. So you create some scarcity. And again, the piano look, want your piano moving, free quote, 30% off this week. So you're already targeting people that are looking for piano movers. Same here, look, number one, moving company near you, want your piano moving. Okay, can you see? So this is the ad that will show up on Google, and it's going to be put in front of these exact people that are looking for moving services, that are looking for piano movers, that are looking for moving company. And this is the ad, guys, that's going to help you to scale your moving business, get new clients, get new leads, because that is the power of Google. Now, another thing I want to share with you, right, and which is a common mistake, and it's how you structure your landing page to support your Google ad. Okay, so you need to make sure everything is lined up. So let me show you an example here. So here's an example I want to share with you. Now, this is not movies or removals or anything like that. This is something I've taken from our Google coaching program in our members area as an example. But look here, there's somebody who's typing in, for example, fixed fee divorce solicitors. That's their ad. You need to make sure that your landing page also has that in the headline and the content, so it supports the ad. So in your case, guys, all your removal and moving companies out there, what you need to do, let's say you're targeting people that are looking for piano movers, right? You would put in looking for a piano mover. We specialize in moving pianos, and then your landing page would have nothing else but we move pianos. Do you want your piano moving? Can you see what I'm trying to say to you guys, right? Somebody types into, so it's three phrases, right? Someone types into Google piano movers, your ad says piano movers. So let's just go back to the ad. Your ad says piano movers. Your landing page then needs to also say piano movers. Yeah, so that is the power of it. Okay, so look, number one, New York movers, start now, want your piano moving, and then your landing page would also be piano movers. Okay, but guys, this is the power, right, of Google. And so many people, billions of searches are being done on Google every single day. Your competition is on Google. You just need to know how to do this, guys. I mean, look at this, like moving company, it's up 22%. More and more people are using Google to find products and services, especially these type of services, moving and removal companies. Okay, now if you want to learn more about this stuff, guys, go and check out the free training link in the description below, and we can show you some more really cool stuff, guys. But hopefully you found this interesting, and subscribe if you want to learn more about this sort of stuff. So thanks very much, guys, for listening, and I hope you have found this useful.